A secure remote worker setup with NordLayer typically combines encrypted connectivity, identity verification, device security, and access controls so employees can safely work from home or public networks. Here's a practical setup. 1. Create the organization and invite users. Set up your NordLayer organization, invite employees via email, have each user install the NordLayer app on their Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, or Android device and sign in using the organization's credentials or single sign-on SSO if configured. 2. Enable strong authentication. Configure SSO with your identity provider such as Microsoft Entra ID, Google Workspace, Okta, or JumpCloud. Require multi-factor authentication MFA2 for all users to reduce the risk of compromised credentials. 3. Use always-on virtual private network. Enable always-on virtual private network so devices automatically establish an encrypted connection whenever they're online. This is especially useful for employees using hotel, airport, or CAF Wi-Fi. 4. Apply least privilege access. Create groups based on job roles. Grant access only to the applications, servers, and internal resources each group requires instead of exposing the entire network. This aligns with zero trust principles. 5. Check device security. Use device posture security if your plan includes it to verify devices meet your organization's security requirements before allowing access. This helps identify devices that are missing updates or are otherwise non-compliant. 6. Deploy centrally. For larger teams, administrators can deploy the NordLayer client silently across managed Windows and macOS devices using deployment scripts or endpoint management tools, reducing manual setup. 7. Support remote administration. If employees need remote desktop RDP, NordLayer supports outbound RDP connections. Its Cloud Alien feature can simplify communication between devices connected to the same private gateway. Recommended security checklist. MFA required for every user. SSO integrated with your identity provider. Always on virtual private network enabled role-based access policies. Company managed devices with full disk encryption, automatic operating system and application updates, device posture checks enabled, logging and activity monitoring, employee phishing awareness training.